Is this thing on? What's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up, my YouTube people? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys all about hairography. And if you don't know what hairography is, in a sense, hairography is basically dancing with your hair. There's really nothing to it. It's all about placement if you think about it. Because really you could put it anywhere, but then you have to wait for the right time to do it. Like if you're in a position where you're like, oh, right now it doesn't make any sense to do like a hair whip or like some hairography or a flip or something, then you kind of have to wait till the next move and then you do it, and then it's just that much more powerful, you know, because it's intentional. So without further ado, darlings, lovers, and friends, I'm gonna get to it. Quick reminder, I do have a lot of my dance menus and my cheer menus down below, general consult, things like that for dance and performance. For audition season, since we are in quarantine audition season, please let me know down below if you guys are interested in this, or DM me on Instagram, that's probably better. By the way, what do you guys think of that last video? Don't you guys just love my brother? Isn't he just hilarious and crazy? You do it throughout the whole dance, pretty much from beginning to end. And sometimes you do it when you're tired. You wanna do it to where you get your hair out of your face, because that is the main reason why we all do it. Placement. That is something that you're just gonna kind of have to feel when it's time to do the hair flip. It's more so of like a confidence booster. It's like, oh, she's getting it, she's moving her hair. But I'm gonna show you guys some easy steps that you can do to kind of get you guys in that mindset of that hairography. We're keeping this very low-key, very simple, darlings. No hairography. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With hairography. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The choreographer is gonna tell you when exactly to do it, but it's also gonna be something that you're just gonna kind of have to feel for. Let's just say the dance is like super easy, like step, clap, shimmy, 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 shimmy. Okay, in those 4 steps right there, you could easily clap, hit, 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 hit. See how I'm moving my hair side to side? I'm taking that little opportunity that I have in just this motion. Those are the kind of things that you wanna start thinking about. On to rhinestone. Story of my life. Oh, forever finding rhinestones on the floor. You want to do this relatively quickly. You don't want to do it like a... Your hair's just going to come back right in your face. That's happened to me before, and I think that's actually happened to me recently in one of my videos. You really have to kind of commit. Full on rocker. If I'm going hair, hair, hit, we can take one foot, and you're kind of rolling your body as you roll your neck, and your hair goes with it too. So I'm not just, see, that's just me rolling my hair. And even when I throw my neck all the way around, my hair is not making it. Lead with the top of your crown and go all the way around. You really have to throw your neck into it, otherwise you're gonna be like this. This is probably gonna be like 80% of the time, so you're gonna really have to commit to it. And then if your hair is still like, and the next move is really work to get that out of your face. If you pay attention to NBA, NFL, or any kind of dance team, you'll notice that when they transition like 5, 6, 7, 8, they'll do this clean thing. And it's basically like an exclamation point, like a statement, like here we are in our places and we're cleaning. And you're getting your hair out of your face. And as a group, as a collective, it looks pretty cool, pretty sassy. And it just elevates the whole dance. Disclaimer, when you guys are doing these hair whips, your neck is gonna hurt the next day. You are gonna feel it, but that's okay, because you're gonna build up your neck muscles and you're gonna be able to hair whip and hair flip so much longer and so much better than ever before, love. So don't you worry, just keep working through the pain, work through the soreness, because it's gonna get even better. Looking up, looking down, gently holding your neck down. Don't pull on it. I decide, hold. Let's say hold. And then a really good one is if you get down like this, like you're doing a straight stretch, shaking your head no back and forth. Oh, this feels so good. Nod up and down, yes. I usually do this until I start to feel a little better, or like my neck feels relaxed from all the whiplashes that I've been giving myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is the end of the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see any other dance skills, please let me know down below. You know the drill, my heart attacks, and I will check you guys in my next video. Bye!